Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to decode JWT token which we get in the responses of our API calls or web application. So as I don't have any web application which is designed with JWT authentication, so I'm using a simple encoding which is like here. If you see, like we have three parts in our JWT token. So one is signature, header, one is payload, and another is verify signature. Okay, so we have three components. One is header, another is actual data, and last one is signature. So if you see here that the token is also divided in three parts. So one is header separated with a dot, and second is the data separated with a dot again with signature. Okay, these are the three parts of a JWT token. So every JWT token will have two dots and three parts. So first thing is a header, second is the actual data where you have a payload, and the third one is the signature of your JWT token. Okay, so now, yeah, in the JWT token I have added the two parameters extra. One is email and another the last name. So if our requirement is to get the email or last name from the JWT token. So this is the token we'll be passing to the script, and we'll see the readable format of this string. Okay, so we have the JWT token copied here. Just a simple simple script that we created now. JWT script. Now, yeah, the first part, what you're going to look, we are not going to decrypt the complete JWT token. So as we know already, like we have three parts in the three components in the JWT token. So we are going to split the string using the dot. So we will be having an array with a header, payload, and signature. So which part of data you want to decrypt? So whether it's a body, or whether you want to decrypt the header, or whether you want to decrypt the signature. So generally we don't decrypt the header and signature because we don't have any valid information in the two parts, in header and signature strings. So I'm taking the first part. First part is the actual body of my payload. So this is the body of the payload. So after splitting with the dot, so this is 0 index, this will be 1 index, first index, and this is second index. So here we are taking the first element. So we have, after splitting here, we have the data into array. The JWT token is split into three parts. So from the first array, we are splitting again with the hyphen. If there is any hyphen, so it will split that. And if there is no splitting, so then we'll be replacing with the join. Actually, our requirement is to split the body, replace the body with hyphen with the place. So if there is any hyphen here, that will be replaced with place. That will be replaced with place. So that was the expected option thing here. So if we have, so let me keep it comment here. Replace the string, replace the hyphen character with place. This was the actual expectation of these two steps. So as the replace all is not working in the Node.js. So that is the reason why I have made a split and I have made a join. So if you can fix if you have to, the problem is like the data what we get here is not a string type. It was considered as not string type. So when you apply the string replace all on the string, non-string, it was not working. So the reason is that is the reason why I have modified the code from split, replace all to split and join. So it will split and it will come into temp. From the temp, it will join the values, instead of hyphen, it will join with plus. So the same thing with underscore and slash. So if you see the value underscore in your body, if you see the value underscore in your body, that needs to be replaced with slash. That need to replace with slash. Then we need to do base 64 decode. So we need to do the base 64 decode. So as I imported the base 64 component in as a separate part in node modules. So actually to import the node modules or to download the new node component or package, so you need to use npm command. So I have shown that video. I have created a separate video for that, how to use npm commands to install your packages, new packages, required packages to your script. So actually, even if base 64 is also is part of your load runner 2022, 2021 and more. So this 2020 component, the LRE 2020 is not supporting the base 64. LR 2020 is not supporting the base 64 functionality. So that's the reason why I need to import the base 64 component. So if you are having the more than 2020 version of load runner, you can directly use the component. We can directly use load.util.base 64 decode. Base 64 decode function. So this is the inbuilt function given by load runner from the version to more than 2020 LRE 2020. Okay. So once you have a decoder version, so this is the content what we have now. So this is the required this is the output what we have currently. So once you have this object, you can parse this JSON object. JSON dot parse, and you can get the JSON equal to okay, and log load.log email. Okay, I'll print email here. Place JSON email. Okay, so this is key is called email. So I'll use the email. Double quote. Let's run it. So yeah, it's a simple thing. Just we need to we need to get the token, and we need to yeah, we got the email here. Okay, first we need to get the token. From the token, you need to split the actual token with the get the body. Like we have, as mentioned earlier, we have 3 components in the token also. So we'll be getting the payload token. From the payload token, we need to replace the hyphen and hyphen with place and hyphen underscore with slash. Then do base decode, base 64 decode. Once you decode that, you will be you can see that into readable format. So that will be a string. So then you make the JSON parse. So you will be having the JSON content here, JSON object. So you can access the JSON object in a regular way. So thanks for listening, this friends. Please follow and subscribe our channel.